Teradyne has surged into the spotlight as investors react to a blowout earnings report and guidance that materially reset expectations for both near term performance and long term growth. The company's Q4 2025 results dramatically exceeded Wall Street forecasts, with revenue reaching $1.08 billion and non GAAP EPS of $1.80, well above the company's own prior outlook. Even more eye catching was management's Q1 2026 guidance, calling for $1.15 to $1.25 billion in revenue and $1.89 to $2.25 in EPS, numbers that signal accelerating momentum rather than a one off quarter. At the center of the bullish narrative is Teradyne's semiconductor test segment, which is seeing surging demand tied directly to the global AI infrastructure buildout. As hyperscalers and chipmakers race to deploy increasingly complex AI accelerators, advanced logic, and high bandwidth memory, testing requirements are becoming more intensive, more frequent, and more mission critical. Teradyne's exposure to leading edge AI chips positions it as a key picks and shovels beneficiary of the AI boom, earning revenue regardless of which chip designers ultimately dominate. Community discussion also highlights the robotics division as a growing secondary growth engine. Investors are increasingly focused on how Teradyne's collaborative robotics and automation platforms are being enhanced with AI driven capabilities, enabling smarter, more flexible manufacturing and logistics solutions. While still smaller than the core test business, robotics is gaining traction and is viewed as a longer duration growth vector that could materially expand margins and diversify revenue over time. The stock's over 25% surge reflects more than just an earnings beat. It represents a repricing around Teradyne's strategic role in AI, automation, and next generation semiconductor complexity. Bulls argue the results validate that AI demand is not slowing but intensifying, with testing spend rising alongside chip performance requirements. Bears, meanwhile, question sustainability after such a sharp move, but the dominant tone in the community is that Teradyne has emerged as a high conviction AI infrastructure play, with improving visibility and multiple growth levers heading into 2026.
Okay, so the stock is up 25.49%. This is the pre-market session of Tuesday, the 3rd of February, but still the post-market session, the pre-market session hasn't actually resumed. So we're dealing with the data from yesterday's trading. So it up more than doubled its 50-day average in terms of volume. It trades very low volume, stays trades very low volume. So it can be quite a volatile stock. It can be, so quite a high beta as well. Let's see what we have on the 4 hour chart. Okay, we've seen all of these already. Counter Fitzgerald has increased the price target for Teradyne shares to $270, up to $240, up from 240. So the extrapolation of its 3 period moving average is saying that this trend it has might remain in place up till today's pre-market session, and after that might see a consolidation that may remain in place at least up to Monday the 9th of February. Then after that, the uptrend may resume. Okay, there are no upper projections right now. The algos have not. What's the price? 302. They've not calculated anything further. But let's go back and just quickly glance at its daily chart to see whether it was actually projecting strength today. Yes, it was saying that today was going to be an update. So on this daily chart, high prices are expected to remain in place up till the 5th of December. Yeah, I mean, it's ongoing. I mean, non-stop, non-stop. We have here, you may not see, but I can still see it between, there's a slight gap here up till the 26th of February. High prices are still expected to continue to print. It doesn't really align with what we have on the daily chart, on the 4 hour chart. Yeah, momentum. Pretty much flat, yeah, but high prices regardless are still expected. He has exceeded all of the projections he has here. I mean, sorry, he has exceeded all the upper projections he has here. Yeah, it has exceeded all of them. Nothing. Yeah, let's have a look at its um, weekly chart. Let's see whether it had any intraday high. Yeah, 311 today, 311 intraday high. Okay, this is the weekly chart. It's saying that it may maintain the strength it has up to the 17th. Then after that, we're looking at the prospects of a consolidation, or rather, the prospects of a slight contraction towards Monday, the 2nd of March. Then after that, the up slightly, it might resume the uptrend slightly towards the 23rd of March. But all in all, is pretty much bullish, at least towards the 27th of April. Nothing to the upside, I think. Nothing here to the upside. I think, yeah, we've seen 311. Let's see whether we will get anything on its market grid. Okay, yeah, nothing on the market grid. Stock has since escaped. This is not even, the stock is at 302 now, and this trading view is giving us 298. I think our best bet in terms of seeing the prospect of even higher prices will be the 1 minute chart. Let's see. We've seen 311 already, 302. We've seen, let's see what we have here. Yeah, 313, 315, 34, 3, sorry, 313, 315. Yeah. Okay, let's come down to the 2 minute chart to see if there's anything there. 313, 319, 323. Yeah. 354, 376, 390.51. Yeah. These are just a few, just those prices, those projections were printed when after its earnings were disclosed. We have 354, 376, 390. Yeah. And then this is the market grid that printed at some point. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, we have 324, between 324 and 278, and it's currently at 302. Printed at 311. At some point, it printed something close to that 311. Printed somewhere something close to that 311. Yeah, so it got a resistance just below that 313. Okay, so yeah, that's what's going on right now. We'll see how all of this will pan out, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.